Hello and welcome to this Vidyard installation tutorial for Outreach. In this video, I will explain the administration steps you need to take to get up and running. This will include how to get advanced features for contracted GoVideo organizations. As an Outreach administrator, you should be familiar with the settings options. You can access this by clicking on your initials in the bottom of the menu bar. From this page, head to the Org option. On the right side of this panel should be a list of available integrations. Vidyard will be an option and will have an associated Learn More button next to it. Click on this to open the Vidyard app page on the Outreach Marketplace. On this page, press the Install button. Subsequently, press the Confirm Install button when prompted. When this is complete, you will have the free version of the Vidyard GoVideo product added. This will provide the ability to record and send videos from within Outreach. You can use the Vidyard icon from within emails, sequences, templates, and snippets. If you have GoVideo for Teams or GoVideo Enterprise, you will have the ability to record view information into your Outreach activity feeds. Having this data in Outreach will provide you with the ability to build automation through specific triggers. To take advantage of these features, you will need to configure the external app settings. Step 1 is to add your Vidyard API token from your parent group. This can be copied from the integrations page from the admin menu in Vidyard. Once on this page, click Show Token, which is next to the admin role, to enable it to be copied. Then once copied, head back over to your Outreach page and paste it into the box. This will now unlock the activity feed option. You'll likely want to have both video started and video watched activities on your prospect's feed. A video watched activity can be adjusted depending on your perception of what a video watch should be. It is likely to be at least 25% in most circumstances. Step 3 provides an overview of the types of triggers you will likely want to set up for both video started and video watched activities. First, save the changes that you've made, and then to set these up, head back into the settings and under System Config, click Triggers. In this example, we will set up a trigger that relates to a prospect having watched a video. In the event drop-down, you will now see both video started and video watched events available. For the first action, we will add a task to call the viewer as an urgent priority. Your sales reps will then be able to engage with the prospect as soon as they show interest. The second action will be to add the prospect into a sequence that relates to the watched video content. You may want to create a third action to remove the prospect from other sequences if these are based on them showing no interest or having no current engagement. This completes the setup from an administration perspective. For any questions on using Outreach and Vidyard, please reach out to your Vidyard Customer Success Manager.